Hello children, in this video we'll learn the geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial or the root of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial or the root of the polynomial, both the things are same. So to understand this, let us take a linear polynomial. A linear polynomial Px is equal to 2x plus 3. Yes children, you can see this is a linear polynomial. In this polynomial, the highest power of x is 1. So, the degree of the polynomial is 1. So, it is called a linear polynomial. And how many terms it has? It has two terms, 2x and 3. These are the two terms. Uh, Earlier I have told you to find the zeros of the polynomial, we equate the polynomial px with 0. Implies that 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. That means x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the root of this polynomial, this linear polynomial 2x plus 3. When we will put the value x is equal to 3 by 2 in place of x in this polynomial px, we will get the 0. Let us check. 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. So we can see minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the root of the polynomial or 0 of the polynomial. We have learned that the root of the polynomial or the 0 of the polynomial is the value of the variable which we put in the polynomial. So the polynomial will be equal to 0 or it gives the value of the polynomial 0. Yes, same thing we'll verify with the help of the graph. Let us draw the graph for the polynomial 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is x and this is y is equal to 2x plus 3. We'll draw the graph between x and y. So let us put the different values of x. For these values of x, we'll try to find the values of y. For x is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 3. That is minus 4 plus 3. That is y is equal to minus 1. Now, for x is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 3. That is minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 1. For y is equal to, for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3, that is 2 plus 3, 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. So for the y, x is equal to 0, the value of the y is 3. For x is equal to 2, for x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3, that is 2 plus 3, or it is equal to 5. And x is equal to 2 y is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3. So y is equal to 7. So children, for the different values of x, we have find the different values of y. To draw the graph, always the graph is drawn between the two coordinates. We need two coordinates x and y. Here we have got all these x and y coordinates. Now let us draw the graph between these coordinates of x and y. X, x dash, y, y dash. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we indicate the negative values of x, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and so on. Now let us plot our graph. For the value of x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2, the value of the y is minus 1. For x is equal to minus 2, we are getting y is equal to minus 1. For x is equal to minus 1, the y is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1, we are getting y is equal to 1. For x is equal to 0, we are getting y is equal to 3. For x is equal to 1, we are getting y is equal to 5. For x is equal to 2, we are getting y is equal to 7. So, to draw the graph, we'll join all these points like this. Here we can see the graph is intersecting the x-axis between minus 1 and minus 2. This is between minus 1 and minus 2. What will be the coordinate? Minus 1.5, that is minus 3 by 2. So by the graphical method we can see the value of x is equal to minus 3 by 2, or we can see that px is at this point px is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0, and the coordinate of x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So with the help of this graph we can see that in the linear equation the graph intersects the x-axis at only one point, means in the linear polynomial graph intersect the x-axis at only one point, and that point is called the zero of the polynomial, zero of the polynomial. and the graph for the linear polynomial is intersect at most one point. The graph of the linear polynomial intersect at one point, and that point px is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, or we can say that the x is equal to 3 by 2. The graph is intersecting the x-axis at x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the root of the polynomial or the 0 of the polynomial. So by both the method, by the algebraic method or by the graphical method, we can say the root of the polynomial is equal to x is equal to minus 3 by 2. In both the way we can say that the root, we are getting the same root. So the geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial is this, that the point which intersect the point of the graph which intersect the x-axis is called the zero of the polynomial.